Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Kisama encourages farmers Maukarat block in southwest Khasi Hills district. KSU Maukarat Circle demands implementation of ILP during Chief Minister's visit. Yongkuli Border Village in Rimhoy district falls under jurisdiction of Hima Malay. Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union condemns manhandling of ASHA worker. Meghalaya Secretariat walls are no different to the walls of Jericho to shield corruption, says Angela Renard, and explosive weapons found at Maulendep while digging the foundation of houses. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today met the producers of Maukarat block in southwest Khasi Hills district to further increase the production of bay leaf, broomstick and honey. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister told the farmers that they should improve the packaging of these agricultural producers so that they can fetch better prices.
Most importantly, the farmers, or rather I should say all the producer groups who are present out here today to be part of this interactive session that we have. I first of all would like to thank the MEMA as well as the Deputy Commissioner for having organized this very wonderful interactive program that we have.
In advance at a very low price. So we realizing that this problem is there, we decided that we will get these producer groups together.
Along with the PHE Minister, the Chief Minister also inaugurated a footbridge over Shillong River at Jashar Village, a community-led initiative under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, MGNREGS. The 53 meters footbridge was collectively taken up by 3 Village Employment Council, Nongba, Shillong and Jashar, who completed the bridge in a record time of 3 months. Speaking at the brief inaugural function, the Chief Minister informed that Meghalaya has earned the reputation of being one of the top performing state in terms of implementation of MGNREGS and has received allocation of over Rs 1600 crores budget compared to even bigger states like Assam.
If there's a state like Assam, which is almost 10 times as big as us, 10 times, their NREGS budget is about 2,000 crores. Whereas we are 1/10 in population. That means Assam has about 3 crore population, we have about 30 lakh population. In spite of the population difference, Assam has a budget of about 2,000 crores and Meghalaya has a budget of 1,600 crores. It just shows how much our people have been working in order to get maximum benefit from the MGNREGA, the maximum amount. We are one of the highest spenders, and the per capita spending, per capita, is almost close to 17,000 rupees in wage component that every person is getting because of the 16,000 crore budget that we have been able to utilize in our state of Meghalaya. So it's a great achievement, and I must congratulate all the VECs, the BDOs, the Deputy Commissioners, and of course our Principal Secretary, who has been the driving force to make this project successful.
Okay, officer. But pinang tribha kapor. But ngasngotanar banyo I ya kajingetre lang jong kishnong kitao kantam ki VC. Banyo I balai teli ki VC kin wan lang ban tre lang ban pendep ya kene project. Kadai ka sembol kababha banyo I bakadon kajingesngol tho jingmot kajingetre lang. Kalang kabae teng banyo kajingetre lang. Tehendreng as kutanap banyo I bakadon ka jetre lang jo kilai tili ki VC ban pendep ya kada kajiking ka badon kam tam berkane kada sembol ka babha ha ka bagi di ban bot ha ka jingi imjengi bandon kada ka mesin jong ka jetre lang kuble shibane ka jetre stom jo ki VC but ngakit bok kerwiang kini kilai tili VC bakinang lak ban tre khamba ju ki project repair sir.
The Khasi Students' Union of Maukarat Circle today demand implementation of inner line permit in Meghalaya. The students' body held banners and placards demanding implementation of inner line permit when Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended a function at Maukarat in connection with a farmers' program. The Dorbar of Himamalim today came forward to reaffirm that Yongkuli village in Riboy district in Rat Mirwet falls under this Hima. Speaking to the media, the tribal chief of Himamalim, Ainam's Aim, and his ministry said Yongkuli falls under the jurisdiction of Himamalim. The claim made by Assam that Yongkuli village falls under the neighbouring state is incorrect because even now it falls under the jurisdiction of Himamalim.
Kolong ka dong puji jakoi ba kum ka report ka boyo kene ka Yongkuli kamdi ko koi na pedengki khat atli gi jaka ko modong gi jifia kene ka jaka ko bolong try da ka hapu put sam jong try berwet ko bolong hapu put sam jaki mamliam bat jong ka state ni khane ai koi kene ka jingle jong sarkar sam ning ba ki police ko jongka haka arhnu turik menundu kunjuk hi klam de buram shu ya kan snow jongki nong sung sung tu bodan tu kain kilawan yang banjerat di kitigi bus elektrik bat kebasan tak ha ya sim kebawa kan kim sim lo buram shu ya kan mikfat ba kibalajit ko ba nang mentah ko ba nagalen jong sim roba ni peran dia sisien ya ka bor jong puli asam bat ikuturu ya ki bor bodipek ke sunsil ke skor katla batan pembet nak keluar bat nakale ki mamliam ru ni long ki keluar bat ni tamu talang bok sarkar bak de sunsil ban pembet no ya kena jingcia ya pembet pun mengitip saya kerat bak Yongkuli kong hapo pu sam jongka mamliam hapo sam jongka state Meghalaya tegene ke jingle jongka sarkar Assam kala penduduk perin siam di kibri bijung yang te bahkan juga kuat kejembun than jadi puli Assam kala pensir ya kejembun cempekat juga nusung song te tina kalian jong siam berdapat ni kentu ya kibor punya distrik Lombok makin pak ya ki pulit jengki ban kelong kalak juga jengida bahkan juga ni kentu ru baki pulit kemudian hong te kebanyakan ni dalang gini pai jengi gi berang ke kalong de sha ka jipin sengai iki te dak leng jengi go kerba ni ai go ke jing kersan ya pesarkar Meghalaya bukan dia nak seprang untuk baik nak hidup susah mengalem hima ni long ki lak noi man ni baik yo pur sam berem ke Meghalaya wa Assam kat kum kiriti dustur kat kum ke jing sensia tradi ka bang ni dan di limba ki perlok pres kumaong ki management kada bahir berkuai peran yang digijingat.
Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union today strongly condemned the manhandling of ASHA worker by resident of Nongtrong under Jongsha Primary Health Centre on the 24th of this month. The members of the Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union met the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District and lodged a complaint in this regard. Speaking to the media after meeting the Deputy Commissioner, the ASHA workers aired their grievances by saying that they are being paid very less with so much work to assist the doctors, nurses and the public. They have been given this kind of treatment. They also informed that the Deputy Commissioner has assured them that such things will not happen in the future.
Mentakasi nakaliang jong Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union, Iwan Hongni Hapo Shillong banya kendu Deputy Commissioner jong East Khasi Hills District. Kadau kalong nak jing sya asyo jeng iwei I ASHA jong ka Shillong nong jrong iba hapo ka badai mau kenro blok East Khasi Hills. Dia kum kini kijingja kila aja nakapor syakapor. Nadu basrang jong kan ka pandemik hakabe debat kan ka COVID-19. Ki ASHA jongi ki sya asyo haki breu ki long song thau nama bakim nyat bakim priang ya kan ka club kumbaga government ka batai ki. Te kapelong ya ka Meghalaya ASHA Workers Union bandap da kajing songsi ka bakrau ken nalor baki ASHA ki ditang kinong trai ki baret ki baduna hijing siu kumbabaro kila etep ndrei ka kila trai ka kam ka bakrau ban ka bakhe hadu kata ban syakri ki pajba no shong thau tha ka bambaki ki don ndrei na kaliang jong ki pajba ha ka jaka ka bakin ni ai lang ka ti ka diang ka ti ka man bakini trai lang baki ASHA na ka banta banwan rai ka kot ki kia bat ka bah ka miat jong ka sinong ka thau ndrei ki babon na ki pajba no shong thau kita bernyam, kita syok, kita keran ben, kita tak ti ki ASHA. Te kung kani kajing liak ben, jong ki beriau ya ki asha nak kaliang ke jong ni penram jur hukum kini ki beriau te ke ai ke bangi ngausi bania thu hang ne kalong bana kaliang jong ibadi asha ibasha syo ila don ru kidak jengam lane jing mensau ka be dei ka ngap ki kho siu bat kum juru hakamet kaphat bat tot kum ke jing thu ke jong i ong ba kila persang ban lau lung khut wat e ki jan ki ba ma i phong ru bat kila berngem hiru ban ong bakin khlong ki khamat ki jong i da ka ba maki kila yu kila kerdam ya ini i asha i jong ni hoi ni ong ba ki jing long breu ngindon ba hi ki jing bakla tang ba ki jing bakla ngila bania kran tang da ka tin ngila bania mai ngila bania tem kan ngai hukum kan ka por ba pindak ta ki pinda syo i ki breu kam dai syo ka pat thai bet ka ba ngi ngin sya iki wai ba ki kin syo i ki kon jong ka union ka jong ni dan ka leng jong ni penram jur halor kan ne ba ni terpat hiru ya ka sarkar ba kan sim kia na ka banta kan ne ki jing sha le ben jong ini asha jong ni.
Member of Tur Angela Rungat today said the secretariat walls are no different to the walls of Jericho to shield corruption. Today is the 7th day that Rungat is staging a protest in front of the gates of the main secretariat in Shillong. Rungat is protesting against the state government for its failure to pay the daily wage workers who lost their jobs when the state government imposed a lockdown in the state to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the state. She is being supported by daily wage workers, street vendors and hawkers.
Today is day 7 of this sit-in reminder protest. You know the context. Last year, income support was promised to daily wages. It has not reached. The principal secretary has said that he has started looking into it. This evening, we will be meeting him along with the representatives of the taxi drivers, workers, domestic workers, and other labourers. That's at 4:15. But we have not got any written assurance yet. So we will continue this democratic process of making our voices heard. But there was also a notice from the DC that I am not to sit at the gates of power. So it doesn't matter. We will walk around the walls of power. These are like the walls of Jericho, you know. And we will walk around them and bring them down. Bring down the walls of corruption. And today, spontaneously, our friends came to join us. All these days also, we have been telling people it's all right because of COVID protocols and other restrictions. But today on their own, they came. So who am I to stop them? And they also feel that their voices need to be heard. So they're here with us and they have taken one round now of the seat of power. And we will keep doing this through the day. And we will see the outcome of today's meeting. If nothing concrete, this protest will continue. Otherwise, we can put it in abeyance, but there has to be a specific time frame within which all that income support is released to the beneficiaries.
Two explosive weapons were found by two families when the workers who were digging the foundation of their houses found them at Maulandep area adjacent to Umyam Reservoir in Riboy district. The two families who were so happy to start the construction of their houses were frightened to find these explosive weapons. They immediately informed the Dorbar Shillong and subsequently the village authorities passed on the information to officer in charge of Umyam police station. The police later removed them from these places.
My name is Jino Kharbuki, the headman of Maulandep village, Riboy district. Today we could hand over the two live active explosive device. While the two families doing the earth excavations, they discovered these two explosive device. So immediately the village authority informed the Umyam police stations, and the police station and the OC of Umyam police station immediately sent the bomb squad, and the bomb squad has already rushed to the spot and taken away the things, and we were informed by the bomb squad that they are still this explosive device is still active. So now pertaining to this matter is still on with the police department.
चिंटू हो गया ना चिंटू को एक साथ रख दो और ये थोड़ा पिन इसका निकला हुआ है हाँ थोड़ा दिख से पिन का हाँ अच्छा वही का मोड क्यों वही दिखता है तो ना नहीं because You're signing? Yeah, I'm signing. You're signing.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.